Alright now people, if you look behind me you can see what a typical setup looks like when they're bucking logs, and let me tell you, there's nothing better than when you're in a wood pile and you find a nice little round right behind you and you can roll it up and plop down on it, take a load off. I'm going to show you all a little trick here where you can make yourself a seat to sit down on and take a load off while you're bucking this stuff up. You can also make two of them and have a little tray for your beer next to you while you're bucking. I just decided to use this piece of crap wood back here today. I got some other rounds that I saved you could make a little nicer chair out of, but that stuff's too valuable. People pay good money for that wood, and that's my firewood, so I'm going to see if I can't just show y'all on this piece of crap wood back here, and if it doesn't work and it falls apart, I'll go get one of my expensive firewood rounds. But here we go. Take a look at this little method here and tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. now there she is in all her glory. That's a nice little toadstool there, and hopefully that holds together for a while. It's a little bit short, but I'll show you in a minute. You can make a taller one. I did clean it up on the right side there. I kind of straightened it up a little bit so everything's nice and straight and looking good. Alright, now here's our little stool. Let's test it out. I may need to use some better hardwood, but this is the idea. I made a short one today. You could make a taller one if you had a longer round. That's why I had these, but I went ahead and used this piece of crap today just for an example. This stuff is too valuable. But now when you're bucking, you can take a nice load off there on your stool, and you don't hurt your back as much there. Really nice deal. So you could make a taller one out of a piece like this, out of this piece of walnut here, make a nice tall one. And then you could set your beer next to you there while you're getting to work there. But this walnut, it's just too valuable to buck up, to sit on. Now you can probably see I'm sweating pretty bad. It's 85 degrees out there, unseasonably warm weather we're having. It's hotter than a dog's ass sitting on a hot sandy beach today, so I'm gonna call it quits. Don't forget to like and subscribe, nice fella.